Thutha wa mwene mugunda wa Patel Perry Mansukh hamwe na Ekuirwo angere gukinywo igoti-ini muthenya wa ira magithitangirwo mahitia 47 makuragana matekwenda kwaga uigiririki o hamwe na kwaga kuruta riboti igie maria maturigiceirie. Ekuirwo aya marekorire makirara Kenya rucine rwa umuthi. Afitha wa maĩ wa Naikuru Wini Muthoni na maafitha a Walmatom Kinothiambo na Jacinta Were magitaranirio ithabu-ini ria thitango ici no nao maregana nacio. Mwihoko wa Ekuirwo aya ari kurekio na mbondi hindi ya giikaro gia cira uyu kuma na njukaniro ya miario gatagati ka mawokiri ma Ekuirwo makienda maheo mbondi naguo mwena wa thitango ukiuga urenda aira cira-ini uyu maheo ugitiri.
Once an accused person has taken plea, then he has two liberties, either to apply for bail or to remain silent.
Our concern now is on the key potential prosecution witnesses. If their identities are disclosed, what then happens to them?
New application for witness protection, that has got nothing to do with the accused persons.
The issue of witness protection was raised yesterday by Mr. Asile. My learned friend didn't say anything.
Mucirithania Joseph Karaja agithima mwihoko wa Ekuirwo aya aria riu maguikara rumande njera-ini ya Naivasha nginyagia njumatatu riria igoti rigatua kana ni mekurekio na mbondi.
The accused persons are to be remanded in custody at the Naivasha GK remand prison, as is the norm in all other cases.
Andu-ini ha Inoro TV retu rekwa ni wa ngui wa mwogi.
Yeah,